Hi, my name is Kelton O'Connell, and I am honored today to be a part of Stay In, Play In, where we give you boredom busters that you can do at home with everyday objects. And today, we are going to be taking an old t-shirt and turning it into a tote bag. Let's get into it. Let's take a look at the things that we're gonna need. Obviously, we're gonna need a t-shirt, but also, we're gonna want a pair of scissors. We're gonna start by taking our t-shirt and laying it on a flat surface. I will be using the floor here. If it helps you, you can use a marker and draw out the lines. We are first going to cut each sleeve off. We will cut a line inside of the seam. You want to go ahead and do that to both sides.
Then you can take the top off in a deep U shape. You'll see now that our shirt looks like a tank top. It can work as a bag with the straps used as handles, but things will fall out of the bottom. So let's seal the bottom. So let's start by cutting strips about 1 inch thick all up to the same height through the bottom of the shirt. Make sure to cut both layers. Then you want to turn the shirt inside out. Then, find each bottom and top of the strips and tie them together. Do that all the way down. Now once you finish, if you look very closely, you will see that there are some holes in which items in the bag can fall out or untie the ties. To solve this, we can take the bottom of the first knot and the top of the second knot and tie that together. And you're going to do that again all the way down. Once you finish, you can always feel free to add extra knots if you feel that you may have messed up somewhere or if you just think that extra is needed. Then turn it inside out again so that the knots are inside of the bag.
And here you can see that I've taken an old t-shirt and turned it into a tote bag. This can be used to fill books that you're reading or anything else. Hope you enjoyed this. If you would like to see more ideas like this, you'll hear from our next presenter tomorrow. Follow the hashtag StayInPlayIn on Twitter and Instagram, and you can follow the official Stay In Playin account also on Twitter and Instagram. Thanks for watching.